So man, I just so happened to take my girl. We was at the dealership to get her car looked at, and they end up having this transporting a car to drop down at another dealership, and I seen this, and they said it was for sale. It's a 2012 Laramie with only 113,000 miles. On it. Nah, it's good. He did it already.
So what, you just take it?
Stop, girl.
So what, I just drive?
Nah, he gonna come too. I was trying to see if we can just take it around the block. Stop, Journey. But he said he gonna come too. How many miles that stay?
They ain't gonna let you drive?
Yeah.
113,769.
It's a Laramie, so I'm guessing it's fully loaded. Oh, you can pull forward. All right, well, never mind. He coming. Speakers.
You should be up here where I'm at.
Not the sign there is not indicating that it's been in an accident, because I checked the Carfax and there's no accident. It doesn't show where it was hit. It's just like damage reported. And then yeah, so that
This is the all-wheel drive, yeah.
So
how many recalls? What was the recall for?
recall manufacturer, recall at least one manufacturer recall requires repair.
Johnny, pull that window back up. Roll that window up, girl. Yeah, that's why you can't open the door and get out. She's trying to open the door.
Bad.
And this car inspection before you buy.
So damage claim reported, huh?
In 2015, so I mean, look at this, the Carfax, it doesn't show like there was an accident on it.
Accident reported with another motor vehicle. That was in 2017.
Yeah.
Go sleep.
So it doesn't show like it was hit in the front or in the back, and then this is the original Carfax.
Title issued or updated, correction to record, duplicate that issue.
Baby. Oh. She said, please.
How many people come here and looked at it?
Several people have inquired online, because we get out-of-state people interested in the vehicle as well.
Right.
So in my part, from my leads that I've gotten, is at least 2. But other sales people have also gotten leads regarding to this vehicle.
So why this thing ain't going? Because normally these motherfuckers be gone, but brakes ain't good. Yeah, man, it's the only downfall about used cars. Yeah, man, it was too good to be true. Low miles, but come find out, my guys at Ford, they looked at the VIN number, ran the report. It had a rear end accident or something like that, and my girlfriend was looking at something, and something with the differential or the axles or whatever, it can cause like an accident or something like that if not properly, repaired correctly. I don't know. It's a whole bunch of stuff that's going on with it. It's been on the lot for 65 days. And like I said, I've been to this dealership before and I've seen a lot of good trucks out there, and they be gone like the next day. So for this to be like a 2012 with 113,000 miles and it's a Laramie with the high output engine, it should have been sold. It should have been sold, because they had a lot of people inquiring about it though, but no one bought it. It's a nice solid truck with the Cummins with the high output 3500. And they told me, well, my boys at Ford, they told me that the retail suggested price should be $33,000. They got this listed at $41,000. And that's the reason you gotta be careful about buying a used truck, car, period, because some people are not gonna tell you the full details. And if you don't do your part on doing your research or taking it to someone to have it looked at or whatever, you're not gonna be happy if you buy it, So you gotta educate yourself and you gotta put the legwork in yourself and check it out. It looked nice and looked clean, but I wouldn't want to go through no hassle of buying a used truck, and I gotta have a whole bunch of issues down the line. So that's why I'd rather buy a new truck and know that I'm like the only one owner of my own truck, and I know what's going on with my truck, and any type of damage or repairs that need to be done, it'll be covered under warranty, So it'll save you a whole bunch of money just getting a new truck versus a used one. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a hit and miss. Some new ones can be messed up or whatever and have issues. So it's like a 50-50, it's a gamble. But starting out new or starting out doing trucking, I suggest buying new off top.